Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make agar for mycelium. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and preparing a clean workspace with minimal drafts. Combine water, nutrient source, and 2% agar in a heatproof vessel, then dissolve thoroughly while heating. Pour into sterile Petri dishes or jars after cooling slightly, and sterilize using a pressure cooker or autoclave to ensure a contamination-free surface for mycelium growth. In this video, I will show how to make agar for mycelium. Gather distilled water, 2% agar powder, a nutrient source like malt extract, and a reliable scale. Prepare tools including a pressure cooker, sterile Petri dishes, thermometer, and alcohol lamp for sterile transfers. Clean surfaces with alcohol and minimize airflow. Accurate measurement and clean technique are the foundation for producing consistent, contamination-resistant agar, plates that support healthy mycelial colonization. In this video, I will show how to make agar for mycelium. Heat the dissolved agar and nutrient mixture until completely clear, avoiding boiling over. Cool the solution to roughly 45–50 degrees C to prevent condensation and preserve nutrients, then work in a clean area and pour into sterile Petri dishes or jars. Cover plates promptly and let them set undisturbed. Label plates with medium and date, then sterilize any waste and store plates properly until inoculation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.